Hello, my name is Janet Blanco Ortega. Task H. My neighborhood or municipality is small, but very nice, humble and kind people. My neighbors are very familiar. They are always to share and collaborate with each other. My work setting. My workplace is a school with 570 students. It has very nice spaces. My work. The room of teacher and the school are 27. Book. This is my close growth with good. We share many things and we are always very close. My family. My family is my pillar. They are lovely of my life. My family is made of 3 children. My husband and I. My oldest son is 70 years old, studying biomedical engineering. My daughter is 15 years old and is 10th grade, and the baby is 3 years old. My husband has a degree in social. My family, my happiness.